Hey guys, today is Mother's Day, and I know it's a crazy weather. It's been raining these past 2 days. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna pressure wash my mom driveways. So I'm gonna walk through the rain, so hopefully I can get it done. A little something that you do to your mom. For all of you, please don't forget to appreciate and give your mom some love and care, because without them you will not be here to watch this video. And let's just start working, I guess. Alright, this is a concrete degreaser. We're just gonna spray degreaser a little bit, and we will hook up the soap to push in, and after the degreaser stay on the concrete for a good 10-15 minutes, and then we spray. So that's will speed up the process. I got this one hooked up. Just need to get this thing done first.
No, it's not a good thing, but it's true.
Use the remote.
Let's get in it.
Oh, crap.
Look, look.
Okay, this is not good.
Look at me.
It's like ketchup.
It's like a sweet. Are you sure? Sorry.
We got it done probably about 2.5 hours. This is a big driveway. We do the sidewalk, wrong sidewalk. So we just clean this machine and then wrap it up. Eat some lunch and I guess we go home. I'll let you guys see the final result.